Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling essentials. You need to act now. Once you verify age and passport validity, collect transcript, recommendations, and health form. Make an AFS account, enter basic contact details, and choose your program type. This step registers you in the system. Make sure to set calendar reminders for application deadlines and payment windows. You'll save time later if you upload clear scans of ID and transcripts now. This eliminates back and forth and accelerates review. Now you tackle the detailed form. This is the core of your submission. As you enter personal data and program preferences, be precise. Mismatches delay placement. Write concise essays that show why you want the exchange, how you adapt, and what you'll contribute. Give concrete examples. Upload all required documents as labeled PDFs, then proofread every field. Once done, run the application validation tool and address any flagged errors. Make sure your emergency contact can respond quickly if AFS requests clarification. You finish by submitting payment, confirming receipt, and saving your invoice. This completes the formal application. Next, prepare for the interview. Rehearse answers, have your essays at hand, and test your camera and microphone. After the interview, monitor your AFS account for placement updates and follow next step instructions for visas and host family matches. If things go wrong, an application is rejected or a document is lost, contact AFS immediately. Request specific feedback and correct problems quickly to keep your spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.